Okay, so this first question, we're going to do some coordinate geometry here. This first one says we have a straight line L with the following equation. It says A is a coordinate which is 3 and -5. Wants us to find the equation of a straight line that is perpendicular to line L but passes through point A. So what does perpendicular mean? So the first thing I want to know about this line is what is the gradient. So I need y to be the subject. So I'm going to divide everything by 3. Y equals 4 over 3x plus 7 over 3. The important thing I'm looking for here is the 4 over 3, which is my gradient. So if something is perpendicular, it's the negative reciprocal. So that means -3 over 4 is going to be the gradient of my new line. So y is going to equal -3 over 4 x plus c. And now I just need to substitute this point in. So y is -5. Equals -3 over 4 times 3 plus c. So now we just need to solve this. So this is going to be -9 over 4 plus c. So I need to do -5. I'm going to add 9 over 4 and that will get me what c is. So if we do -5 and we need to add 9 over 4, that is going to get me as a decimal, -2.75, or we could leave it as 11 over 4. So don't forget to write your equation. So y equals -3 over 4x plus 11 over 4. Not plus, sorry, that's a minus, my mistake. It's negative. Right, the next question, it wants us to show that these lines are parallel to each other. So at the moment, the gradient of the first one is 3. So the second one, I'm just going to rearrange it. So I'm going to have 2y equals, if I add 6x to both sides, I'm going to have 6x plus 8. Then I need to divide everything by 2 because I want to write it in the form y equals mx plus c. So that's going to leave me with 3x plus 4. So that means that the gradient is 3. So the gradient has to be the same when they're parallel. Right, and then this last question, it says we have point A and we have point B. The straight line L passes through the point A, but is perpendicular to point B. So before I even read on, let's work out the gradient of A to B, which is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, we've got x1, y1, x2, y2. So -6 minus 4 all over -7 minus 3. So that's going to give me -10 all over 4, which if we simplify that, it's -5 over 2. So if it's perpendicular, that means y equals mx plus c. So it's going to be the negative reciprocal to this. So y equals 2 over 5 x plus c. And because it goes through point A, I need to substitute that point in. So 4 equals 2 over 5. X is 3 plus c. So 2 times 3 is going to give me 6 over 5. And then I need to do 4, subtract 6 over 5, and that will get me what c is. So 4 minus 6 over 5 is going to give me 2.8. And that is going to be 14 over 5. So don't forget, that's c. So my equation is y equals 2 over 5x and then plus 14 over 5. It wants it in this form, so I'm going to need to move the x over first. So I'm going to have, in this case, I might as well move the y over, and I might as well move, so it equals 0. So 0 equals 2 over 5x minus y plus 14 over 5. Then I'm going to times everything by 5 because in this question we have integers. So 0 times 5 is just 0. So that's going to leave me 2x minus 5y plus 14. And I have it in that form.